My name is Christine Crowley-Woodard, and I teach the Legal Office Services program here at Moore Norman Technology Center. Oklahoma Innocence Project is a organization. It's actually related to the Innocence Project, the national, at the national level. Its office is in the Oklahoma City School of Law, and Vicki Bahena is the executive director. And so it began in 2011. It is a nonprofit, and they basically help to exonerate wrongful convictions. They rely solely on volunteer lawyers, OCU law students. They're the ones that are actually going through each of the cases to see if there's factual evidence of wrongful conviction. They have actually exonerated 34 they have listed on the National Registry, 7 of which actually were death penalty cases. I was trying to find ways that I could bring real world into the classroom, have my students be able to either do internships where they can utilize the skills they're learning. And I asked them if they would be interested in letting my students come in and volunteer their services for filing or any kind of clerical type work. And I got response back immediately.
We're basically just like helping people that are wrongly convicted and helping them and filing all these files and making sure that everything's in order and where it should be. That way the people at the Innocence Project have what they need to get those wrongly convicted people out of prison.
We started mainly organizing a lot of their paper documents by scanning them. The first thing they really wanted was to get electronic documents in and organized. So we started scanning and renaming documents, filing some of the stuff that they had already scanned.
A lot of the stuff that we've learned in our classroom we get to apply when we go to volunteer at the Innocence Project. And it's really rewarding to know that while you're doing all of that, you're also helping out someone who needs it.
I really enjoyed being able to see the files and the actual context of the stuff we're learning in class, to be able to see how it applies.
Seeing all these different cases of all these different people's lives that's been messed up because they were wrongly convicted just really opens my eyes that we really need to change the system that we have. Students are getting a dual benefit in that they can claim that they have done volunteer work. They can claim it as community service work on a resume, on a job application, college application.
Being here for the past year and a half has taught me so much about not only computers but technology, communication skills. I've learned how to work more in teams, how to bounce ideas off each other.
The Innocence Project has also, shown me how to file, and I think going into a law office, if I was to get a job after this, I would be comfortable with the things that I would have to do.
My goal, though, was exposing them to this so that this is an option for them if they want to do further internship when they get to the capstone course. I feel it's beneficial, real-world work that they're walking away with from that experience.